The actual launch of the Galaxy S25 series is coming up in just 2 months. With up to 4 models thanks to the Galaxy S25 Slim, it could be one of the biggest S-series launches ever. We already know that Samsung's biggest hope was dashed when they failed to bring back Exynos for the 2025 season. The most recent news from Korea shows how bad things have become with Samsung's Exynos. Korean sources say that Samsung's 3nm chip yield is less than 20%, which is not acceptable for the S25 series. The craziest rumor going around in Korea right now is that Samsung is thinking about making Exynos chips with TSMC. As you may know, TSMC is Samsung's biggest competitor in the chip market. The idea of TSMC making a Samsung Exynos chip must be very embarrassing for Samsung. Check out the most recent Geekbench 6 scores for the US Galaxy S25 Ultra model. These numbers look amazing. To be even more clear, I want to say today that in every market, every Galaxy S25 model will come with a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. One of Samsung's long-awaited software changes is One UI 7.0. This is the software we'll see in the S25 series. The first version, or beta, of this software may be closer than ever to being released. A tweet says that the Galaxy S24 series was seen running the first One UI 7 beta build on the test server. This means that the beta launch for the Galaxy S24 series is very close. There's a good chance that the S25 series will have the One UI 7.1 version. This makes sense, since Samsung plans to release most of its cool new AI features on One UI 7.1 instead of One UI 7.0. There you have it. Exynos looks as bad as it can get, which is good news because it means we'll be getting the best, the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Once more, Samsung wants to make its range of flagship phones the brightest and most colorful ever. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.